look what we've got here. A couple people who have gathered to feast their eyes on some mid-European road madness. Well then, if you take a look at what we see here, you will recognize that this is not Germany. You have been tricked. Oh boy, I am a Barker's nutcase, and I like it! We'll get to Germany in a second, but what you see here are the United States, and my buddy is on his drive to work when suddenly... some woman is tumbling out of the car and quickly getting back in as if it is the most normal thing in the world. You see, that is what happens when you don't get your morning coffee. But what no coffee can solve is the potato quality of the presumably ancient dashcam my buddy is using here. That is how phones were recording well before smartphones were a thing. Now getting back to Germany, and I've got a question for you. Have you ever seen a trailer getting ready for takeoff? Well, that is what you get when forgetting to lock the tilting mechanism of the trailer and going way beyond the speed limit for pulling a trailer. I don't know if the camera driver realized that he was in driving ban territory. At least our man was attentive about what is happening around him, which is not the case for this guy in front of us, and... he delivers a nice example how quickly you can run into a freaking truck when fiddling on your goddamn phone. And it was said that a phone was also involved here. First almost kissing the curb at full speed and then completely disregarding the light. If that was truly a red light run because of distraction over the phone, then this guy is a ticking time bomb waiting to go off at any random moment in traffic. Maybe it's a better idea to simply get rid of the phone in the first place. I got no idea where that was coming from. There seems to be only the driver in the van, and it may be that he forgot his phone on the roof and will be puzzled for the rest of his life where his electronic companion went. You gotta love it when there is a regular 2-lane road and there is suddenly 3-lane traffic. Yay, and because everyone loves this, we get it again. That car over there did just stop. I guess the driver recognized us approaching?
Och ich dachte, leck mich am Arsch.
Yeah, you can consider that a rhetorical question in dashcam footage. Do you have a doggy? Do you like your doggy? It doesn't seem to be the case for everybody. Not a very healthy premise for the doggy, and concerning people, it's not a healthy idea to troll car drivers. Two wheels versus 4, whatever could go wrong. I don't want to be flaming this dude too much. He was signaling, but it's the very same thing as with car drivers. The signal is pointless when you're giving it on too short notice.
Er hat aber Lack gesoffen.
Well, that's supposedly why he's complaining. He might be thinking, I was telling you that I will move over. Why are you honking? Well, I don't know. Maybe because you were threatening the driver to become his new hood ornament? Now to switch things around, we are on a bike here and a car messes up. I know, that usually never happens. It was a very fancy yellow. And this here, if you squint really hard, it may look yellow. On another planet. What's up with this one? There is even a dedicated stopping line for that bike lane here, but the driver, I don't know. He messed up badly, and I guess he knows that because he had given the low head of shame. This here is not a case of being a mistake. This bus driver sees the cyclist and still pulls out. Yeah, what do bicycles matter? You know, bigger vehicle means bigger right-of-way. We are in Austria, beautiful landscapes and presumably the calmest of all roads. Until a crazy Land Rover appears and tries to push you off the road. Look at this sign here. Look at it! What does it tell you? Maybe you want to take a closer look? Got an idea? Well, it means that you are supposed to go here! I need to look for the pills. And a couple pills might also be a good idea for the dude in this clip here. We go by the speed limit and the camera driver needs to move to the middle lane for where he wants to go. The new Mercedes model, the Rocket 320 CDI. And switching from high speed to no speed. It needs nothing but the finest of human beings to place their car in such a despicable fashion. And I have a slight suspicion that it's the same kind of people who are driving like this guy over there. He just entered an empty freeway and seems like the right lane is not good enough for him.
Was soll das, Junge? Was soll das? Erklär mir das. Was machst du in der... So, das geht nach rechts. Rechts. Meine Fresse. Wir haben in Deutschland ein Rechtsangebot.
Ah crap, it's about to turn red. Guess it's not yet red enough. See you later, dude. I'll make sure to keep my phone charged for calling the ambulance. And what is this dude over there doing? Legitimate question, I got no idea. Yay, a green light! Too bad there's more than one light. Same intersection, no both are green. Which means... the other direction got all red. I guess he's taking those lights for being nothing else but funny, colorful street illumination. Another scooter dude, another red light. And the scooters gotta be like, I'm not the right one for your bullshit!
Ja, Junge, was ist los mit dir?
Moments later, the scooter can't escape being used for evil.
Schön bei Rot, jetzt bei Rot. Ja, ist ja klar, was hast du denn jetzt erwartet von dem Typen?
I am slowly getting tired. I guess I need a proper near-death experience then to wake me up. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. A little more distance and a little more attention would have helped. Chicken! Dude, I can understand that slow traffic due to a chain of trucks is very annoying, but I do assume that driving yourself into a coffin is quite more annoying, isn't it? We're done. Move it!